K-trucks are on their way to North America, and Mitsubishi is about to pull off something really crazy, a genuinely capable pickup truck with a starting price under $10,000. If you've been watching truck prices climb past $30,000, $40,000, or even $50,000 and thought you'd never afford a new workhorse again, this K-truck is about to redefine the meaning of being affordable. While Ford, Chevy, and Ram keep piling on expensive tech and luxury features you don't need, Mitsubishi focused on pure no-nonsense utility at a price that democratized the segment like nothing before. Just the right size. The Mitsubishi Minicab measures just 133.66 inches in total length and 58.07 inches in width, making it smaller than pretty much anything currently sold in North America. But through a cab-over design that positions the driver directly above the front axle, they've freed up massive amounts of usable space that larger trucks waste on hood length and engine compartments. If you've ever tried squeezing a full-size pickup into a tight urban parking spot or navigating narrow residential streets during a delivery route, you know how frustrating oversized dimensions become. That 75-inch wheelbase might sound modest, but it delivers something remarkable. A cargo bed measuring 76.38 inches long and 55.31 inches wide. This little K-truck is offering a bed that's actually longer than what you'll find on many compact pickups. The Ford Maverick's bed stretches to just 54 inches, while the Hyundai Santa Cruz manages only 52.2 inches. Mitsubishi is beating both with a vehicle that's dramatically smaller overall. The turning radius comes in at an incredibly tight 14.1 to 15.1 feet, meaning this truck will navigate parking lots and narrow city streets that would leave a full-size pickup struggling. For contractors working in dense residential neighborhoods or delivery drivers dealing with congested downtown routes, that maneuverability translates directly into time savings and reduced stress. Anyone who's spent a day loading landscaping materials knows the physical toll of repeatedly lifting heavy items to waist height or higher. The Minicab's bed height measures just 25.6 inches from ground to bed floor, dramatically reducing how far you need to lift every bag of concrete or sheet of plywood. But those compact dimensions are just the beginning, because Mitsubishi isn't limiting you to a single truck configuration. Configuration variety. The Minicab lineup is coming to America with genuine versatility, starting with the traditional pickup but extending to van configurations that have dominated commercial fleets across Japan for decades. In two-seater van form, Mitsubishi delivers 60.1 cubic feet of enclosed, weather-protected storage space. For electricians, plumbers, or delivery drivers tired of watching expensive tools get soaked during unexpected rainstorms or worrying about theft from open truck beds, this enclosed configuration solves problems that pickup beds simply can't address. High roof variants push the ceiling up to 76.77 inches, accommodating standing height storage or allowing contractors to organize shelving systems. The four-seater van configuration brings rear bench seats that fold completely flat into the floor, transforming the cabin from passenger hauler to full cargo bay in seconds. This walk-through design means drivers can access the cargo area from inside the vehicle, which becomes invaluable when the truck's parked tight against a loading dock or building wall. Then there's the specialized Minori agricultural variant, engineered specifically for farming applications with reinforced rear leaf springs and modified gear ratios. This configuration prioritizes low-speed torque and durability, making it ideal for orchards, vineyards, and smaller agricultural operations where full-size trucks are overkill. All that versatility is impressive, but it won't mean much if the powertrain can't deliver the efficiency these configurations demand. Powertrain options. Under the cab sits Mitsubishi's R06A engine, a sophisticated 658 cubic centimeters three-cylinder unit that might sound tiny but delivers exactly what this vehicle needs. The naturally aspirated version puts out 48 to 50 horsepower and approximately 44 pound-feet of torque. Yes, those numbers seem modest, but here's what matters. This engine is returning fuel economy between 35 and 48 miles per gallon combined. Think about what that means when fuel prices spike or when you're running a small business. Watching every dollar. A delivery route that costs you $60 in a conventional truck suddenly drops to maybe $20 in the Minicab. Over a year of daily operation, that difference adds up to thousands staying in your pocket instead of going to the gas station. For buyers wanting more urgency, Mitsubishi offers a turbocharged variant that bumps output to 63 to 64 horsepower with roughly 70 pound-feet of torque. This turbocharged setup maintains impressive efficiency even when delivering that extra power. Then there's the electric version, and this is where things get really interesting. charging. The Minicab EV packs a 20.0 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery that powers an electric motor producing 41.6 horsepower and a substantial 143.8 pound-feet of torque available instantly from 0 RPM. That torque figure destroys what the gasoline version offers, making the EV feel dramatically more capable when hauling the maximum 771.6 pound payload. Range sits at 111 miles under testing conditions, which covers most commercial vehicles' average daily routes of less than 50 miles. The charging infrastructure plays nicely with both standard 200-volt outlets for overnight charging and DC fast charging that hits 80% in just 42 minutes. Energy costs come in at roughly 25% of what gasoline would cost per mile, meaning fleet operators will see dramatic savings that offset the higher initial purchase price within the first couple of years. Mitsubishi is offering both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations, with manual transmission models getting a high/low range transfer case for serious traction scenarios. Those powertrain options are solid, but they're working within a design philosophy that's completely different from what American buyers are used to seeing. Design. The Minicab's exterior reflects what Mitsubishi calls a functional monobox philosophy, prioritizing volumetric efficiency and operational durability over sculpted curves and aggressive styling. That nearly vertical front fascia is a structural necessity from the cab-over-engine layout, but Mitsubishi refined it with a redesigned grille featuring pronounced vertical slats and high-mounted LED headlamps positioned to avoid damage during low-speed parking lot mishaps. Body panels utilize high-tensile steel that provides robust protection while keeping curb weight under 2,500 pounds, even in the battery-heavy EV models. The heavy-duty drop-side cargo bed on truck variants emphasizes rugged utility. The drop-side functionality allows loading from the rear or either side, which becomes invaluable at construction sites. Mitsubishi is offering increasingly diverse color options beyond the traditional white commercial finish. Premium metallic paints like cool khaki pearl metallic and silky silver metallic provide enhanced corrosion resistance while letting small businesses use their vehicles as mobile branding platforms. The exterior design stays true to form follows function principles, and that same philosophy continues when you open the door. Interior. Sitting directly above the front axle with an expansive windshield provides exceptional visibility to all four corners, making tight maneuvering dramatically less stressful. The dashboard brings updated instrumentation with a multi-information display showing real-time fuel efficiency, safety system status, and in EV variants, precise battery state of charge. Controls are laid out horizontally with large tactile buttons and knobs that remain easy to operate even when wearing work gloves. Storage solutions appear everywhere you'd actually need them. Overhead consoles hold documents, large door pockets accommodate water bottles and tools, and the walkthrough design means you can access cargo without exiting the vehicle when parked against walls or loading docks. We've all dealt with truck interiors that look great on the showroom floor, but turn into disaster zones after 6 months of real work. Mitsubishi designed the Minicab interior specifically for punishment, materials that clean up with a quick wipe down, and durable surfaces that maintain their appearance even after years of daily commercial use. Higher trim levels bring touchscreen multimedia systems supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Climate control systems are optimized for the small interior volume with high-capacity heaters and air conditioners. Premium Bravo variants add fabric seats, power windows, and remote keyless entry. But here's where it gets interesting. All these features come at a price point that's about to rewrite the rules of the truck market. Release and price. The base Minicab is launching with a starting price of around $8,000 to $9,000 for entry-level configurations, absolutely obliterating every other pickup currently available in this country. Even high-specification four-wheel drive turbocharged Bravo variants land between $13,000 and $14,000, which is still less than what you'd pay for a bare-bones compact crossover from most mainstream brands. The Mitsubishi Minicab represents something the American truck market hasn't seen in years: honest utility at an honest price. With compact dimensions that actually make city driving easier, a cargo bed that outperforms many larger competitors, configuration options ranging from enclosed vans to agricultural workhorses, and powertrain choices spanning efficient gas engines to capable electric motors, this little K truck delivers exactly what working Americans need without the bloat they don't need. For contractors, small business owners, farmers, and anyone who's been priced out of the new truck market, the Minicab arrival, which will happen in the next 2 or 3 years, can't come soon enough. But Mitsubishi isn't the only Japanese automaker that's bringing a K car to redefine the pickup truck segment. Toyota is doing the same with the Daihatsu Hi-Jet, and you can check that one out in our next video. Affordability, versatility, and a proven track record that dates back decades are just some of the reasons why Toyota is convinced in its American success.